Welcome back to the Power Hall, where we bring you the most powerful machines from around the globe. Today, we've got something truly massive for all the heavy machinery enthusiasts out there at the Bomag BW332 Deep Impact, the largest single drum roller in the world, tipping the scales at an incredible 32 tons. This isn't just any soil compactor, it's a beast built for extreme compaction jobs where regular machines fall short. Whether it's dam construction, mining operations, or large-scale infrastructure projects, the BW332 delivers unmatched performance and raw power. Under the hood, the BW332 is powered by a robust Deutz TCD 2013 L062 volts engine, delivering 190 kilowatts of relentless torque and horsepower to handle the most demanding terrains with ease. Its massive drum, with an ultra-high static linear load of 100 kg/cm, creates deep impact into the soil layers, ensuring maximum compaction in fewer passes. This means higher efficiency, less fuel consumption per square meter, and ultimately, better results. Bomag has also equipped this machine with their advanced compaction technology, including the Bomag Terrameter and Economizer, so operators can track performance and optimize every move in real time. Despite its size, the BW332 Deep Impact doesn't compromise on operator comfort. The cabin is ergonomically designed with great visibility, climate control, and a high-tech control panel that makes handling this giant surprisingly smooth. Maintenance is also made easier with well-placed access points and diagnostic systems that alert the crew before minor issues become big problems. This level of engineering not only increases productivity but also enhances safety on tough job sites. What truly sets the BW332 apart is its ability to adapt to a wide range of soil conditions. Whether you're working with gravel, clay, or rocky terrain, the machine adjusts its vibration settings and traction control to maintain consistent compaction quality. It's this versatility that makes it a favorite among professionals handling mega projects. The machine's intelligent drive and traction system give it stability and control even on steep gradients, which is a huge advantage when working in hilly or uneven locations. The BW332 Deep Impact also features a unique polygonal drum design, which enhances its compaction capabilities. This innovative drum shape directs compaction forces vertically into the material without loss of vibration energy, allowing for deeper penetration and more effective compaction. Additionally, the polygonal design provides better traction with low rolling resistance and is self-cleaning, eliminating the need for power-draining scrapers. This means less downtime and more time spent on productive work, further increasing the machine's overall efficiency. At the Power Hall, we're all about showcasing the machines that push boundaries, and the Bomag BW332